If you want your game progress to stay safe and automatically sync across devices, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable cloud saves in the Epic Games Launcher step by step, so you can make sure your supported games back up your save data properly. This is a quick but important setting, especially if you switch between PCs or ever need to reinstall a game without losing your progress. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech and gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Once it's loaded, look to the top area of the launcher and click on your profile icon. This is usually where your account options and launcher settings are located. After that, from the menu that appears, go into Settings. This is where Epic keeps the launcher preferences and account-related options that control how your library and downloads behave. Now that you're in Settings, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little further to find the option you need. In this area, look for the setting called Enable Cloud Saves. This is the feature that allows supported games to store save data online and keep it synced with your Epic Games account. Once you find Enable Cloud Saves, simply turn it on. After enabling it, the launcher should remember your preference and use it for supported titles moving forward. In many cases, this is all you need to do. But if you don't see the option immediately, take a moment to make sure you're in the right settings area and that you've scrolled through the Preferences section carefully. If you play games on multiple devices, this setting is incredibly useful because it helps reduce the risk of losing progress when you change computers, sign into a new system, or need to reinstall a game. It also makes it easier to continue where you left off without manually copying save files around. That said, always remember that cloud save support depends on the game itself, so not every title may use it in the same way. If the option is already enabled, then you're good to go. If it was turned off, switching it on now will activate cloud saving in the launcher for compatible games. After that, you can close the settings menu and continue using the Epic Games Launcher normally. And that's it. You've now enabled cloud saves in the Epic Games Launcher. It only takes a minute, but it can save you a lot of stress later if you ever need to recover your game progress. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.